Remember this? Remember we gave him that last video? Well, guess what? We're doing it again. So now this one is with chicken and beef. See it? Okay, he's very happy. Okay. Okay. We're ready to eat it, Gizmo? He loves it. Ready? Okay. Little open. Stick it up a little. Okay. Alright, Gizmo. Enjoy. Do you like it, Gizmo? Do you like it? Maybe he needs help. Alright, here. I'll be back. I'm gonna go get myself a plate. We're back, and now we have a plate. Excuse me. Thank you. Alright. Don't eat the plate, Gizmo. Excuse me. There you go. Oh, yeah, eat it. I'm letting him know, bro. Here you go. There you go. Oh. Oh, the phone plate. Oh my god. Oh, look at that. You like it? Eat more. Go on. Oh. Oh. Hey, chill. Don't eat your food too fast. Oh, bruh. Okay, here. There you go. Alright. There it is. How do you feel so far, Gizmo? Feel good? Alright, eat it, Gizmo. Eat it. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh. Alright. Guys, let's go. Gizmo. Yes. Woo. Come on, Gizmo, you got this. Gizmo. Yes. Eat. Yay. I think we know who the winner is. I think we know what it is, guys. But not, there's still some stuff left. I think that's it. Yup. Alright, on for amazing. It took quite a while for him to chug it. It was way too long. He didn't do it as fast as last time. But check out that last video we did. It's about like a Gizmo. Eating that but with different flavor. So he might not, I don't know why, but he doesn't like the chicken flavor. So I'll show you a little, see me. So he doesn't really like the with chicken and beef. The dog looks happy. So yeah, thanks for watching today's video. We'll post more often. Please like, comment, and subscribe on this video, and say thank you.